I'm at my favourite little food corner, little cafe called Homu Lee. So you've probably noticed that the videos I've been making since I got to Thailand are about the sort of food that people eat on a daily basis. And if you have noticed that, you'd be right, because the intention is to uncloak the food of Thailand, to demystify the cuisine of the Thai people. And today we're going to have Grapow Moo, which is minced pork with Thai basil. So this is it. Grapow Moo, minced pork with chili, basil, and then various sauces, oyster sauce, some fish sauce, and I think maybe some black soy sauce. It's one of the most popular street food dishes in Thailand because it's delicious. There's a range of little additives that you can have with it, and I'll show them to you. The first one is yellow chilies. Yellow chilies in vinegar. They're not pickled, but it's similar. Then it's dried chili, and there's some sugar. But the most popular is this one. Lemon, onion, chili, and garlic mixed into fish sauce. So the fish sauce is there for the saltiness. Very spicy. Finished my Grapow Moo, and we're going to talk to a customer. Hello, madam. Sawadee krap.
สวัสดีค่ะ
อะไร
ผัดซีอิ๊วค่ะ
ผัดซีอิ๊วโอ้อร่อยมาก
อร่อยค่ะ
อร่อยขอบคุณครับ Well, I've watched it being cooked and I love it, so I'd like to learn how to cook it. So I'll ask Pinoy if she will teach me how to cook Grapow Moo. Could you teach me how to cook Grapow Moo? Yeah? I'm the chef. I'm just waiting for my first customer. Sawadee krap.
สวัสดีค่ะมาเชลเอากะเพราหมูชิ้นนะคะ
Grapow Moo.
กะเพราหมูชิ้น
Grapow Moo. Okay, come. My first order. Lucky it was a Grapow Moo. Kind of wilt the grapow. Oh, so that's still on. Oh.
จะทำอะไรมีซุปเส้นเลย
Success. กินอะไร
แพงมากค่ะกินกะเพราก
ะเพรา That's lucky. And you may have noticed that we've co-opted everyone from the 7-Eleven to come out and do these. Grapow Moo some. Just so you can get your bearings right, that's Ratcharapisik Road, and that is Ratcharapisik Soi 6. So right on the corner in front of the 7-Eleven is the cafe.